Learn Hindi phone verbs fast. To call in.
फोन करना.
Welcome to Phone Panic. Hey, you're in the right place if you want useful Hindi you can actually use today. We'll learn with a silly story, so your brain has fun instead of filing a complaint. Meet Ben, a man whose phone has more drama than a soap opera. One morning, his phone vibrates like it has had too much coffee. Ben stares at the screen and says, "First I need
फोन करना.
my friend, then I must
वापस बुलाना.
my boss, then I have to read 23.
संदेश.
Why is my phone living a more successful life than I am?" You follow Ben through this chaos, and along the way, you learn exactly what to say in Hindi. Your mission today. You only need a few key words to sound much more capable in Hindi. And yes, sounding capable while secretly panicking is a real language skill. Today's first key verb is to call.
फोन करना.
Imagine holding your hand to your ear like a phone and saying it out loud. Next is call back.
वापस बुलाना.
Think of a boomerang phone returning to you. Messages is
संदेश.
tiny texts, huge drama. To answer is
जवाब देना.
a question comes in, your reply goes out. To forward is
आगे भेजना.
you send something onward, hopefully not the family conspiracy meme. To save is
सहेजना.
the heroic button before disaster. To delete is
मिटाना.
the digital eraser of regret. To print is
छापना.
because sometimes paper still refuses to go extinct. The story begins. Now let's drop you straight into Ben's ridiculous day. Listen for the Hindi words and enjoy the mess. Ben opens his eyes, reaches for his phone, and sees a missed call from his mother. He groans. I need to.
वापस बुलाना.
Right now, or she'll assume I've joined a circus. Then he sees a note from his friend, please.
फोन करना.
Me when you wake up. Then he opens his chat app and finds dozens of.
संदेश.
Some are useful, some are jokes. One is just a sticker of a goat wearing sunglasses. Ben whispers, this goat has better confidence than me. Mini dialogue practice. You'll remember more if you hear the words in short conversations. Say the Hindi parts with me if you want. Friend, can you call me tonight? Ben, yes, I will.
फोन करना.
Boss, you missed my call. Ben, sorry, I'll.
वापस बुलाना.
In 1 minute. Sister, did you read my messages? Ben, yes, I saw your.
संदेश.
Teacher, can you answer? Ben, yes, I can.
जवाब देना.
Coworker, please forward this file. Ben, I'll.
आगे भेजना.
It now. Computer, save your work. Ben, yes, I will.
सहेजना.
It. Phone, this photo is blurry. Ben, fine, I'll.
मिटाना.
It. Printer, feed me paper. Ben, I just want to.
छापना.
1 page, not negotiate a peace treaty. Word meanings with comic memory hooks. Here comes the smart part disguised as nonsense. Give each word a funny mental picture.
फोन करना.
Picture a giant phone shouting your name from a balcony. It means to call.
वापस बुलाना.
Imagine a phone boomerang flying back to your ear. It means call back.
संदेश.
See glowing message bubbles bouncing around your head. It means messages.
जवाब देना.
Imagine a question mark turning into a speech bubble. It means to answer.
आगे भेजना.
Picture a message wearing running shoes and sprinting forward. It means to forward.
सहेजना.
Imagine hugging a file and locking it in a golden treasure chest. It means save.
मिटाना.
See a giant eraser deleting your most embarrassing typo. It means delete.
छापना.
Imagine a dramatic printer spitting out paper like a stage magician. It means print. Office Disaster, Hindi edition. Now Ben goes to work, which is where every innocent learner meets vocabulary under pressure. Don't worry, you're just listening, not employed there. At the office, Ben gets an urgent email. His manager says, read the
संदेश, जवाब देना,
quickly and
आगे भेजना,
it to the team. Ben nods with false confidence, the kind of confidence usually seen in cats walking across keyboards. He types a reply, remembers to
सहेजना,
the document, decides to
मिटाना,
one terrible sentence, and finally tries to
छापना,
the report. The printer makes a noise like an offended goat. Ben looks at it and says, please cooperate. This is not the time for your artistic phase. Quick drill. Your turn now. I'll give the English, and you try to recall the Hindi before I say it. To call.
फोन करना,
Call back.
वापस बुलाना,
Messages.
संदेश,
To answer.
जवाब देना,
To forward.
आगे भेजना,
To save.
सहेजना,
To delete.
मिटाना,
To print.
छापना,
Tiny scene, big review. Let's review everything in one fast, funny scene. If you understand the gist, you're doing great. Ben gets home and sees another missed call. I need to.
वापस बुलाना,
Dad. Then his friend texts, so he checks the
संदेश,
He starts to.
जवाब देना,
Then decides to.
आगे भेजना,
A funny picture too. Before closing the app, he remembers to.
सहेजना,
An address.
मिटाना,
An old note, and
छापना,
his train ticket. Finally, he smiles and says, now I can.
फोन करना,
In peace. Progress, my friend. Glorious progress. Challenge round. Let's see how sharp you are. No pressure, but your imaginary goat in sunglasses is judging you kindly. Which Hindi phrase means to call?
फोन करना,
Which one means call back?
वापस बुलाना,
What is messages?
संदेश,
How do you say to answer?
जवाब देना,
How do you say to forward?
आगे भेजना,
How do you say save?
सहेजना,
How do you say delete?
मिटाना,
How do you say print?
छापना,
Friendly conclusion. You made it, and your phone vocabulary is already stronger than Ben's emotional stability. That is a wonderful achievement. Today you learned how to say to call back, messages, answer, forward, save, delete, and print in Hindi.
फोन करना, वापस बुलाना, संदेश, जवाब देना, आगे भेजना, सहेजना, मिटाना,
And
छापना.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and don't worry about being perfect. Every time you use a word, your Hindi gets stronger.